Hello everyone, today I want to presentation for the homework file. Our team name is group name and our member have Wang Jiankai, Xie Jinlin, Bai Jin, and Zhang Huanmin. The question is, give the combinational contributivity and observability of each line in the following circuit using the Scout method. First, I want to solve the contributivity, and you need to divide the flip-flop first. And divide the flip-flop, we can have the pseudo primary input and pseudo primary output. And then we need to do the initialization for the CC0 and CC1 by 1 first. So here have the 3, the R, PPI 7, PPI 8 for the 1, 1. And then we make the first gate is NAND gate. And we do the calculation the CC0 by the output. So we need to summation the CC1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and plus 1 by the 4. And then the CC1 on the output is find the minimum of the CC0 from input and plus 1 for the 2. And then the OR gate, we find the 1, 1 and 4, 2 here. So we need to summation the 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal 6. And the other, find the CC1 minimum and plus 1 for the 2. And the other gate, the NAND gate, we do the CC1 from input by 1 plus 2 plus 1 for the 4. And the other is find the CC0 from input the minimum and plus 1 equal 2. And then propagation to the Z. And here the OR gate. The CC0 by the output, we need to summation the 6 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 1 equal 15. And the CC1 from the output, we find the minimum here plus 1 equals 3. So propagate to the pseudo primary output 7. And the other one, find the NOT gate. So here the CC0 from output means the CC1 from input plus 1 equals 3. And the other is the CC0 from input plus 1 equal 5 here. So pseudo primary output 8 is 3, 5. This is the result for the contributivity. And second, we want to solve the observability. And we need to divide the flip-flop first and have the pseudo primary input and pseudo primary output. And then we need to initialization for the primary output. So the Z, PPO7, PPO8 by the 0. And we need to backward the circuit. So this line meets the OR gate. So we need to do this line means 0 plus CC0 from other line. So 0 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 1. equal 9. And the other 9 is the same. It's the 0 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 equal 11. This is the same. 0 plus 6 plus 4 equal 11. And we find here we have the stem. So we need to choose the both line for the minimum. So this line have the 0 here. And the PPO8, we find the NOT gate here. So we plus 1 for here. And here we look the stem here. So we need to find the minimum value. So here have the 1. And this line we look the OR gate. So here we need to do the 9 plus CC0 from input and plus 1 for the 14. And the other is the same. 9 plus CC0 from the output 1 plus 1 equal 11. And here we find the NAND gate here. So we need to do 0 plus CC1 from input plus 1 equals 3. And the other line is 0 plus CC1 from input 1 plus 1 equal 2. And we find the stem here, so we need to find the minimum. And we find the 1 here. And then we find the NAND gate here, so we need to do the 1 plus CC1 from input and plus 1. The 4 means 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1 equal 4. And the other two lines is the same method. And then we find a stem here, so we need to choose the minimum by the 3, so this line is 3. And here we find the stem here. So we need to do the same to find the minimum for the 4 here. This is the observability result. And the end of the presentation. Thank you, everyone.